Hello, Asanya employees. This year, our organization has the opportunity to attend the popular ENGL Climbing Festival. This is an excellent opportunity for our bouldering products to get recognized on an international level. Since many of you are not familiar with the culture and customs of the area, this training will review important considerations for you to keep in mind while on this business venture. The Yangshuo Climbing Festival takes place in the rural destination of Guilin, China. This area is renowned for its beautiful karst formations. Every year, hundreds of climbers from all corners of the world attend this festival, making it a prime marketing opportunity for our business. Our objective is to make a name for our company by interacting with climbers and sharing our bouldering paths with the community. At the festival, Asanya will have a booth and will also be providing the bouldering pads for the competition bouldering events. Since this event is multicultural, employees will likely be able to interact with a variety of English speakers. The festival host is also stationing a bilingual volunteer at our booth to help with translation when needed. Since this area commonly has foreigners, communication with locals and festival attendees should be realistically navigable. When meeting new individuals, exchanges are similar to our Western culture. Introduce yourself with your full name and, if in a business setting, your job title as well. Handshakes are a common part of introductions in China too. If introducing others, the order of introduction is important. Inferiors should be introduced to superiors first, men should be introduced to women, and hosts should be introduced to guests. It is likely that some local climbing shops will express interest in our bouldering pads. An interesting fact about conducting business in China is the importance placed on business cards. Be sure to keep several personalized business cards on hand throughout this trip. When exchanging business cards, both hand off and accept them with two hands. This signifies the value you place on both your company and your potential partner's business. If Asanya is invited to other functions, be sure to be at least 20 minutes early. This culture places a high value on time. Food plays an important role in Chinese culture, so you will likely find yourself at a restaurant with some climbers or potential business partners. Seating traditionally follows the members of your group, so Asanya employees on one side and your acquaintances on the other. Nodding in this culture does not reflect approval, but an acknowledgement of what has been said. They may ask many questions about family, age, and marital status in an effort of quickly finding ways to relate with you. Lastly, be sure to never stick your chopsticks standing straight up in your food. This is taboo because it looks like incense at a funeral. If you need health care while on this business trip, please keep in mind that many hospitals only accept Chinese health insurance. However, the Guilin People's Hospital will help foreigners. Thank you for representing Asanya in this business venture. Remember both Asanya's and your love for climbing and enjoy sharing that culture with the international community.